Okay, let's see if we can do this. This is a tea strainer with those tarnish, and I've got it in a small stainless steel bowl. It's not a bigger stainless steel bowl, lined with foil, sprinkled liberally with baking soda, and we're going to do the boiling water thing. Oh, God, that stinks. Whew. Look at that. I've got it completely immersed, and it's a nice, tight, high, shallow, fits to the items inside it. Put lots of baking soda in. Hang on, I'm going to get more baking soda, because I imagine one can never have too much baking soda. See, I can shake it from here safely and just let it do its magic. Oh, I was going to put a ton in. I don't care. Do your magic. Oh, it smells horrible. I was going to use a whole can. I've done this before and been light-handed on the baking soda, but man, that's got to be working, because it just reeks so badly. You can smell the sulfur getting released. It smells like rotten eggs. Oh, I should like put a lid on it to see if a lid will help hold the heat in, maybe. This is gonna make that stink. There we go. Oh, it smells so bad. This smells so bad. We'll use that as a heat reflectivity thing. Look at that. I'm mainly worried about the spoon in here. I'm sure wood will be fine. So that is. Give it a few minutes. I must use more water. Ooh, it's still leggy the like. Whew. Really should have set this for time lapse, but it is still bubbling. Oh, it smells so horrible. Ugh. Stinky. Ugh. I found for maximum effectiveness, minutes tends to be optimal. I could probably do it a second time, but I've not cleaned any of this stuff off. It's been sitting exposed in my china cabinet, not wrapped in any kind of silver cloth for years. So I used it tarnished at a little tea party I had yesterday, and it just made me realize you need to get off your butt and deal with your silver. It's getting there. Oh. Oof. Is there any more fizzing? There is still fizzing. Very little. Look at how dirty. You can see the water is actually getting gray. You gotta fan that off, man. Woo. You don't really really want it to condensate back in there. More foil in there. The more foil that's in there, the more it'll adhere to the foil. So, hot, 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 hot. There we go. Give it more surface to work on. Ugh. Maybe it'll give it more square footage. I don't know. We may gently wash it and do this again with a new piece of foil. I should have got a gigantic box of baking soda, but this one I've been using to do olive oil and baking soda paste to get sticky stuff off of my empty cat treat boxes so that I can use them to hold craft supplies in a clear, square, compartmentalized, and visible manner. Maximize my storage junk. It's still kind of going. Any more fizz? There's very marginal fizz going on, like micro fizz. I don't know, if this has that clear cutting stuff on it, then it's going to have limited. Maybe it'll come off. Maybe when I clean it, it'll come off. It looks like it, because I can do that, and I'm getting some. Of course, I can't leave it alone. See, we're at 7 minutes, so we're gonna stop. Okay, hang on, I'm gonna wash this.